Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and I hope you're enjoying your holidays. And I know you're busy this time of the year, so I thank you for tuning in. Okay, so today we're going to create a very easy planner dashboard in InDesign. We'll be using the calendar wizard as well, and if you haven't tried it yet, just download it from the link in the description. By the way, you can also download this dashboard for free in my website. Got you the link as well. And lastly, if you're wondering where I got my graphics, it's from Creative Fabrica. Right now, they're still running their Christmas promo, and check out the link in the description. I will put this in the community post as well. So with Creative Fabrica, you'll get unlimited access to all fonts, designs, classes, and tools. There are over 6 million resources, commercial license included. Thousands of new ones are added every day. Discounted price is valid forever and it renews at $59 per year. And also, it's 100% risk-free. You can always cancel anytime. All right, let's get started, shall we? Okay, so mine is 5 by 8 inches and you can do whatever document size that you want. Now go to your graphics and drag it onto InDesign. You can also place it by using the shortcut Command D. And if it's too big, just resize it. Now go to Color Theme tool. Then click on the image. And it will grab all the colors from that image and you can add it to your swatch. So these colors you can use to your with your text or any other graphics or elements that you have in your document. Now go to Rectangle tool. And then change the border and also the background color. Now onto your text tool and type the month. And then from here you can change the font size, the font face, and whatever you want on that, or even the color of the font. You can change everything here. And then make it a little bit bigger. Now go ahead and use the text tool again and create a box here. Now go to your scripts and then Calendar Wizard. Use the one calendarwizard.js and change the month to January and the year to 2023. And for calendar title, just exclude it and then no text layer. And click OK. And you have that. So from here on, you can always change the font, the color, the text color, the stroke. If you want lines on or borders on your calendar, you can leave it as is, or if not, you can always choose to not put a stroke on the table. That's it, very easy. Grab this design for free at my website and check out Creative Market for their promo. Happy holidays to you and your family. I'll see you next year. Enjoy and have fun. See ya!